Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Siti NORAFIQAH Shairah binti Danin, metric number BT10903. We are from group 29 and my group members Hairi bin Mohamad Lisa, NURUL SURAYA binti TAIP, FARAH ERDIANA binti Imran, Mohamad HAIQAL AZIMI bin GUNTAR, and the last one NORAFIQAH binti AZRAIL. In this chapter, we will discuss about chapter 3, which is function and graph. The function can be illustrated using a graphing calculator, and its nature can be described using the notation and terminology that will be introduced in this chapter. Function and graph refer to use objects and people around us. This is because using objects and people, it is easy to form correspondence, rules that associate or pair, member, or element, one set with another set member.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Hairi bin Mohamad, who will represent my group to present a business and economic application based on chapter 3 function. The question is, if a business firm produces only one product and Q is the amount of that product or output and C is the total cost of production, then we can apply the above concept of function. Example, C equal FQ, which implies the total cost of the business firm depends upon the amount of output produced. Similarly, if the revenue of the business firm depends only upon the output, then we may write R equal FQ. Given the above notation, we may derive the profit function using profit equal revenue minus cost. For example, question 1. A particular business has the following total cost function, which is C equal 300 plus 7Q. If the business produces 150 units, the Q will be 150. So we can calculate with C equal 300 plus 7Q. Substitute Q to 150 and we will get the final answer 1350. So we may conclude that the total cost of producing 150 units is 1350 ringgit Malaysia.
Example question 2. If the revenue function of the same business is R equal to 30Q, then the profit function of the business can be derived I equal to R minus by C. 30Q minus 300 minus 7Q. 300 minus 300 minus 7 in the bracket 300, and the answer is 6,600. So we may conclude, interpret from the last line that if the business produces and sells 300 units, then it will make a profit of 6,600 ringgit Malaysia.